What does your SEO toolkit look like? Like, what are the top 5 tools that you use on a daily basis, and you cannot do SEO without those tools?
So Ahrefs we use daily, obviously, and spend a lot of money on it. We use Surfer. There's lots of correlational tools out there, but Surfer's always been my favorite, just because it's a mix of the technical proficiency, but also the ease of use and user friendliness. That is pretty much most of it. We use Claude very heavily.
Claude.
Yeah, these days I feel like my primary job now is waking up in the morning, getting to my desk and opening up Claude for whatever it is I'm doing that day.
Questions to get things done. Any automations that you have built that eases your process, like for content or anything that you use it on daily basis?
Yeah, I'd say when we're using Surfer, it doesn't matter whether we use ChatGPT or Claude, we'll basically prime the chat based on our client and all the information about their brands and their brand voice. We will then copy all the recommendations from Surfer or Page Optimizer Pro, whatever you're using, and dump all of that into
ChatGPT,
the AI tool.
Yeah.
And specifically say, Surfer will format in a way that says, if you've not currently used that keyword, you want to use it 3 times, it'll say 0/3, because you need to use it 3 times
Minimum
if you haven't
times,
yet.
yeah.
So I tell ChatGPT, I want to use these terms the number of times indicated after 0/.
Okay, I see.